Hi, my beautiful friends, welcome. If you're working on flattening that coning or doming or that pooch in your abdominal region, you're in the right place. We're going to do Pilates and yoga, focusing on the pelvic floor muscles, PFM, and the transverse abdominis, TVA, to re-educate that region so that we're not necessarily pushing forward with the rectus abdominis when we do our exercises, rather that we're thinking about contracting and pulling everything in. So sometimes that linea alba region gets overstretched. Males and females, everyone can have this issue. You're going to need a band, a nice rubbery band. You can also substitute with a towel or even a tie. And you're going to need some type of bar. You could also use a railing in your home, so something really stable. What we're going to do is take this through, and basically what I'm doing is replicate the Pilates or any suspension equipment. You're welcome to do this without the strap, whatever works for you. I'm also using a couple of blocks, okay, friends? So we're going to start with the band just like this. And it's similar to what we would use when we're on the reformer, okay? Or the Cadillac or any of the Pilates apparatus. So you're going to start here, and we're going to reach our legs out in front of us, bring the heels together, toes apart, lift up nice and tall. First part I want you to think about is lifting up through that pelvic floor. So we're going to do our pelvic floor ladders that I talk about in many of my videos. You want to visualize the pelvic floor and lift it up for 1, 2, 3, 4, like it's riding an elevator. And then when you get to the top, you're going to keep it there and continue to breathe. Now the navel comes in towards the spine, and you should feel on the sides of your abdominal, it should be nice and taut. And then from there, you're going to hold on to those straps, okay? And gently fold forward and then lift up nice and long. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. You're going to round forward into a C shape and then slowly come back up. Not a big movement. Now you can also do that with your legs crossed, just like this, or your knees bent, or you can sit up on a block, okay? Whatever you prefer, okay? We're going to do this again. Hold on to those straps. Inhale, exhale, scoop into the belly, come on forward, and then come back up. Breathe, friends. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Lift back up slowly, okay? You can feel the work on the way down and the way up. Inhale, get tall. Exhale. And then as you lift up, take your time. Now let's change the timing, okay? We're going to lower down. 1, 2, 3, and lift up for 4. And lower down. 1, 2, 3, and lift up for 4. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, lift up for 4. Changing the count. Ready? Down 1 and lift up. 1, 2, 3. Again, lower down, lift up. 1, 2, 3, and lower down, lift up. 1, 2, 3, and again, lower down and lift up. 1, 2, 3, lower down, lift up. 1, 2, 3. Now lower down, friends, stay here, scoop into the belly, pull the pelvic floor up for 4, 3, 2, stay on 1 and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. Keep those core stabilizers, that powerhouse on. Little pulses down. 8, 7, plug your shoulders down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Okay, let's release that. Let's take a nice stretch. Take both legs over to the right and side bend up and over to the left. You can feel that delicious opening through the obliques, the rectus, and the transverse. Okay, let's change sides. Take the legs up and over. and come back up, friends. Okay, excellent. Now, you're gonna hold on to that strap again. You're gonna grab it wherever you had it. We're gonna turn towards the side. Hold it in your right hand, okay, and get nice and taut with it. And that left hand is going to pull and twist. Pull and twist. Navel in towards your spine. Pull and twist. 4, 3, 2. Now on 1, stay here. Ready? Pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And change sides. Okay. Same thing again. Small movement, navel in towards your spine, and twist, and center, and twist, and center. So depending upon your strap, you might go even further. You might even take that arm into extension. Okay, I'm doubling up my strap, so it's very taut. You decide where you want to go today and how much range of motion you want in the movement. Both very effective. Okay, we have 2 more. And let's pulse. Ready? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ah, that felt good. Okay, come on up, stand up. Take your left leg forward, right leg back. And you're gonna reach back, push into that hip. So we're coming into a half camel, Ardha Ustrasana. Push the hips forward, get into the psoas that we're using so much in this practice, and also the abdominals. And let's change sides. Ready? Slide over and step. And release. Okay, from here, friends, grab onto your blocks. So I'm using 2 blocks today. I'm gonna stack them right underneath my abdominals, okay? So where my lower rib is, you're coming on down. You're welcome to pad this with blankets and pillows. You could use 1 block, 2 blocks, a block and a pillow. So modify this as much as you want to. You're gonna fall over the blocks. Now, keep in mind, if you haven't done this before, it might feel super awkward in the abdominal region. So go ahead and layer that with maybe a blanket or 2, or again, use the pillows, okay? Take your hands down into the earth. Pull the pelvic floor in, lift up through the ladder, and then engage through your TVA, and then lift up. And then you're gonna pull, just think about your abdominal region and pull that whole cavity inward and just soften. Ready? Pull in, away from the block, and in. And you can feel the block too. Pull in and pull in. Good. Exhale, 4. Can you feel that? For 3. For 2. It should feel really deep. And 1. Now stay there. Maybe hover your hands and hold that contraction for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now come on down and then lift up into a stretch, okay? When you're doing those exercises, it's really important to breathe too, okay? Really, really important that you're breathing during it. We're not asphyxiating ourselves during those abdominals. Look to your right, look to your left, look to your right, look to your left. Now, again, this is a stretch. Even though you're near those blocks, make sure you feel this delicious stretch and opening. And you're welcome to stay in Sphinx as well. Come on up. Let's take a nice cat and cow. Round through the spine and extend. And again, round and extend. Okay, friends, we ran out of time, so crisscross your legs, have a seat, sit up nice and tall. If you enjoy this practice, please type below Strap, yes. So that I'll do more of these Pilates and yoga core exercises with the strap, because I love replicating the Pilates apparatus with our home props, okay? So if you enjoyed it, let me know. Sit up nice and tall, take a breath, let out a sigh, and thank yourself. Thank yourself for showing up, for changing your body, for changing your world. Bring your hands to your heart. Namaste, friends. I look forward to seeing you soon on the mat. And check out my weekly calendar. I'll put those links below. Namaste.